welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. In today's video, I'm so excited because I have partnered up with Urban Decay to bring you guys this video and talk to you about their Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. This is a 24-hour wear foundation. I've been wearing this foundation for a few weeks now, and every single time I wear it, I get so many compliments. So the fact that I am finally able to talk to you guys about this makes me super happy, because I will talk to you guys about this foundation in this video, how it performs, how to pick your perfect shade, and why I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I get this look and hear a little bit more about this foundation, then just keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna be using the Urban Decay Complexion Primer. This primer has SPF 30. So for me, it's super important to protect my skin throughout the day, especially if I'm going to be out in the sun. I always like to apply some type of SPF, whether it's in my primer or foundation. And what I really love about this primer is that it doesn't leave a white cast, and when I do take a photo with flash, it doesn't give me flashback. Moving on to the foundation, I'm going to be using the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. This is up to 24-hour wear, and when I tell you, I've been dying to talk to you guys about this foundation because I've been wearing it for a few weeks now, and I actually have a quick little story. I wore this on my son's birthday, and I wore it from I think it was 10 in the morning till 10 at night, and I took him out, and I honestly was in a rush and I didn't take any of my stuff to touch up, not on purpose, it's just I didn't have the time to do so. And I just remember my cousin asking me, I think it was 8:39, she asked me what foundation I was wearing. I was like, why? She goes, you haven't touched up, your face is still matte, and the way that your skin looks like it's skin. And I started laughing because I was like, I can't tell you what it is, but it is a new foundation. I'm testing it out. They really made this foundation to be unique and to be able to adapt to any skin tone, undertone, texture. We all struggle with something with our skin. For example, I struggle with sweat. I sweat from my upper lip, and most of you guys that have watched my videos, you guys know the struggle finding a foundation for me, because it either has to be water resistant, waterproof, because I do suffer of that, and it sucks, but that's just the reality of it. So I have tried many foundations, and sometimes I love the formula, but it just breaks down my upper lip area and my nose, because those are the two areas where I really struggle with foundation. So this foundation was made super easy to select your shade. This is how you're gonna go ahead and select your perfect shade. First, you're gonna start off with the intensity shade, and there are 9 of these. First, we're gonna start off with Ultra Fair, which is number 10, and then it goes all the way to 90, which is Ultra Deep. This is gonna help you choose perfect shade that matches you. So for example, I'm shade 50, which is a medium. I really want to be a shade 60, which is a medium dark, but we're gonna go ahead and go with 50. So then there are 3 master tones that you're gonna pick from. There is a Cool, which has a pink, blue, and green undertone. Neutral has a neutral undertone, and Warm has a yellow, orange, and red undertone. So my shade is going to be 50, neutral, neutral, which is 50 NN. That's literally the easiest way to select your shade. We're gonna go ahead and apply this because I want you guys to see how the formula just works amazing on the skin, and how it makes your skin look like skin. It doesn't leave it cakey. It is a 24-hour wear, and it is vegan and cruelty free, which I absolutely love. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this all over the skin. It literally just makes your skin look like skin. So this foundation, I've been wearing it for a few weeks now, and it literally has been my go-to every single day foundation, because it doesn't make my skin look like I have a lot of foundation on, but it gives you that coverage that we all want. So I just have been loving this for an everyday foundation, and I'm just gonna do it on one side so you guys can see the difference, how it just gives your skin a flawless overall finish, but still looking like skin. It just makes my skin feel like I just have maybe like a tinted moisturizer on. It doesn't even feel heavy, and I don't set the foundation, so that's another plus. Having to skip an extra step is always a plus for me, especially because I'm always on the go. Having a foundation that's going to make you feel comfortable in your own skin is honestly the best feeling, because sometimes we cover up our skin because we don't like our imperfections, but this doesn't make you feel like that. It just makes you look very natural and just like an enhanced version of yourself, which is pretty amazing because a lot of foundations don't do that. So I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see the difference. What do you guys think? Do you guys love it? Are you guys here for it? I really just love how my skin looks. It looks like skin. Like, you can still see the texture of my skin, but it gives me like a really nice like overall finish. Like, it evens out my skin. I've mentioned to you guys before that I do not like to touch up my skin, just because me wearing the foundation for such a long time, and then the way that my skin just produces oil, it really makes my skin feel like it's really cakey. I honestly never have to touch up when I have this foundation on. And to me, if I have to carry one less product in my purse, is like worth all the money in the world. I was super excited to just like share this foundation with you guys, because you guys know I love finding a foundation that I'm going to stick to for a while. You guys know I love All Nighter, but this honestly has not made me want to pick up All Nighter. And no shade to All Nighter, because I love that. I'm still gonna wear it, but this is going to be like my everyday foundation, because I honestly feel like All Nighter is just full, like that's a full coverage moment, and this is an everyday moment. So that's the difference. I can't wear All Nighter every day because it's super full coverage, and the fact that this area right here just does not separate with this foundation. At first I was like, ooh, this is lightweight, but I don't know how it's gonna work around my lip area. And when I tell you, I do not have to worry about that. It gives you all the things that we want in a foundation. It's super lightweight, it's 24 hours, it is a breathable, flexible foundation, and it literally stays matte throughout the whole entire day. Moving on to concealer, you just want to go ahead and grab your favorite concealer. We are going to apply that right underneath the eyes. The only area that I will set is like right underneath my eyes to like set my concealer, but aside from that, I don't have to set the rest of my skin. Let me know if you're super excited to try this foundation, because I know I was super excited to tell you guys about this foundation. Next, you can just go ahead and grab your translucent powder and just like set right underneath the eyes. So you can go ahead and set it if you get super oily, but you don't really need to because it does stay really matte. I'm gonna go ahead and use my bronzed beach bronzer by Urban Decay. You know the bronzer is good when you hit pan. I'm just gonna go ahead and warm up the skin. So usually around my nose area is where my nose starts really bubbling. That's what I like to call it. I get a stack of bubbles like right on top of my nose, and I'm usually scared to like contour. I have to like press in the powder and foundation like really nice so it doesn't interrupt, but I don't have to do that. I'm gonna grab like a peachy tone blush, and we're just gonna pop that right on top of the bronzer. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick little eye. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is in the shade Eden. We're just going to apply that all over the lid, and then just with a fluffy brush, we are going to diffuse that into the skin. We're gonna go ahead and use the Naked Heat palette. We're gonna go ahead and pick up Ounce to set the base. It has a little bit of sheen on it, but that's okay. Then picking up Sauce with a fluffy blending brush. We're just gonna place that in the crease. And I'm just going in back and forth, windshield wiper motion. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to use my razor sharp eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner because it has like a really fine tip and it's super easy to create a wing. Moving on to eyeliner, we're going to be using Double Life. This is the 24/7 Glide On eyeliner pencil, and we're just going to run that through the waterline, and we're going to bring it down a little bit. These are my favorite eyeliner pencils for my waterline because they just really stay put and they're super easy to blend out. I just realized how dry my lips were, so I had to put a little bit of conditioner on, and as I was doing that I also saw a little sweat, so you guys can see. Usually when a foundation doesn't work well with my sweat, it automatically like starts breaking down. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna grab my sponge and dab it, and it didn't do anything to it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish blending my under eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Dirty Talk, and we are just going to apply that right underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and use my All Nighter setting spray. This is in the cherry scent. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're excited to try this foundation, as I was excited to tell you guys about this foundation. As you guys can see, my skin looks like skin, and it looks really breathable, and it doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.